Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna make rolled eggs. It is called 계란말이 in Korea. For the ingredients, we need 4 eggs, carrot, ham, and tuna sauce. Let's get started. Okay, now get the eggs in a big bowl. Okay, let's clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now whisk. Mix it well, whisk. Now chop the carrot and ham as small as you can. Okay. Add the ham. And the carrot. And 1 teaspoon of tuna sauce. Okay. And mix it well. Turn your heat to medium and preheat for about 1 minute. Once the frying pan is preheated, add some oil. You can use this brush and pour the egg mixture. Cover the egg like this. I'm gonna wait for the bottom to turn solid and the top to get kind of jelly like this. Okay, this is ready to be lowered. Pick this side up and flip it over like this and flip it over and pat it gently. Flip it over. Pat it. Flip it over. When you see the end of the circle, bring it down here and pour the egg mixture again. And make sure this corner gets a lot of the egg and there should be the solid connection. Let's roll again. And let's get some oil. And you can pour the egg mixture. This corner gets a lot of the egg. And let's roll it again. Flip it over. Pat down gently. Flip over. Must be down. Cook for about 20 seconds. Place it on the cutting board and cut it down for about 5 minutes and cut it. Hi. It is really good side dish for children. Hope you can enjoy it. Bye bye.